everybody. Mike from Joe's Autobody Tractor. So we just got done restoring a nice 806. So here's one for your IH lovers. The tractor itself was way above average. It's a pretty darn nice tractor. Came in nice running. The customer wanted the motor all redone. So we sent the motor out, had it all redone. She got a new radiator core. And we got a lot of other little incidental parts that add up. The customer brought in new tires. We got new rims because they had calcium chloride, which is a common thing. Then we put all new hardware in. The seat is all new, and that's one thing that's kind of neat about this one too, is the fiberglass frame around the rear seat cushion. That was in really nice shape, really nice shape. That's pretty kind of unheard of. So I had to do a little repair to it, but nothing major. All new wire harness, American made wire harness. We got new gauges. The original tack was all redone. This one here is kind of got some really neat family history behind it. This one here, my customer's dad bought the tractor brand new. He just got done buying the farm from his dad, and he felt he needed a larger tractor and a newer tractor, so he bought this tractor. But obviously, because just bought the farmer stuff, he wanted to cut down the cost a little bit. So there's little things on here that they deleted off. Like this one's got T delete. It's got the standard seat, doesn't have the deluxe seat. And once we go around the back, you'll see that she does not have a rock shaft. She's a bareback, so she's got the Wheatland drawbar on. So it's kind of neat, and obviously it doesn't have a wide front, it's a roll crop with a narrow front. So it's kind of a little bit different, unique configuration compared to what you usually see. And this one here, they even have the original bill of sale with it, which is kind of unheard of. It's very hard. And they also have a picture of the dad on the tractor way back in the day when he bought the thing. So it's got some pretty unique history. And my customer now is wanted professionally restored, so that way he can use it for family pictures and stuff at the daughter's wedding that's coming up here right around the corner. So it's a very sentimental tractor to the family, and I feel very privileged and fortunate to be called to restore it and help and preserve the history. So as we can walk around the tractor and just take a look at it a little bit. Like I said before, the rear was all replaced. We put a new emblem on again. I put the corks in aft to show a little detail. The starter and gear were all rebuilt. The injection pump, the injectors were all done. It's got a nice chrome stack. We got new fuel lines in again. The hoses were shot. New battery covers and hold downs. The lights were all gone through, so everything's all working again, all charging. As you can see, we got all new hardware. And like I said before, here you can see she's got the Wheatland drawbar and the bareback, which is kind of odd. You don't see that too often on a roll crop. And then we put new hydraulic couplers, new plugs, of course all new knobs. You can see here the new hardware again. Thank you for watching my video. You can see my other videos on my YouTube channel or on my Facebook page, and I'll be downloading some Facebook pages of this tractor as we were working on the tractor. And if you have any questions or need help assisting restoring your family heirloom or just your collection, you can feel free to call us at 920-894-2134. Thanks.